Using Expedia travel credit is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Expedia travel credit. So for that, you simply have to be at the expedia.com. Here you have to select any of the flight that you want to book. And after that, you simply have to, so I'm just going to search a flight and then I'm going to select a flight. Suppose I want to book this one, then I'm going to simply select it. After selecting the flight, it will take you to obviously the checkout. And in the checkout, you will see a page, something like that. Now, I think I have opened this tab for so long, so it is just invalid. So I'm just going to open the checkout again. Now, after opening the checkout, this is how it will look. As you guys can see, it will give me, 67 Expedia reward points. Currently, I don't have any points, so I cannot see this, checkbox or a bar where it says, apply your credit score. So you just have to, scroll down and under the payment options, you will easily be able to see an option for, apply your, payment options. So here you will easily be able to select the checkbox box for apply your points or credit score from your Expedia. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to use it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.